downstream consequence of instability. So good day, this is the second part of our topic, which is terrain and weather. Objective: this presentation aims to understand the effects of instability in the atmosphere caused by the topography or terrain through the concepts of subcritical and supercritical flows. So we have here the key terms of our topic. We have here subcritical flow, supercritical flow, windward side, and leeward side. So you have there the definitions of each key terms. So subcritical flow happens when air passes over a mountain with an isentrope above it. The wind speed is low, so the only effect is that the isentrope dips slightly, reducing potential temperature, warming the air above the mountain, and increasing the wind speed. On the lee side, the original potential temperature returns, as does the original wind speed. As air passes over an obstacle in a subcritical flow, it thins, speeds up, then returns to its original speed. While supercritical flow happens when the arriving wind speed is sufficiently high, the airflow is directed upward, raising the isentrope and reducing temperature above the mountain. Wind speed is slowed at the mountain, then air falls in the lee, and the original wind speed is restored, pulling the air with it. The gap between the mountain and the isentrope widens, so the rising air is more vertically directed. The wind speed pulls over the mountain and returns to its original path and speed in the lee. However, these two may combine. The diagram shows a subcritical that becomes a supercritical flow as it reaches the mountain, sharply reducing the isentrope in the lee. This happens because the drop in the isentrope, or the narrower depth, and increase in wind speed have created highly supercritical conditions. For example, turbulence as air thickens and gets in its own way. So, as a summary, temperature decreases with height. Thus, the higher elevation regions tend to be cooler. Temperatures and precipitation are influenced by varied terrain. Topography, or the terrain, has a significant influence on weather.